How to remove your phone number from Facebook. If you want to protect your privacy or simply clean up your account, removing your phone number from Facebook is easy to do through the mobile app. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under Account Settings, tap Personal Information and then Contact Info. Here, you will see your phone number listed. Tap on it, then select Remove or Delete. Facebook will usually ask you to enter your password to confirm the change. After confirming, your phone number will be removed from your account. Once your number is removed, Facebook will no longer use it to suggest friends, send login alerts, or assist in account recovery. Just do these easy steps and your phone number will be removed. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.